Hey everyone, it's Andrew Nagel, Valk9 Designs again, and thank you all for checking out this video and for the support here on Patreon. I had a request from one of you all, and I'm sorry, but I've lost track of who it was, but they wanted to see how I set this tourmaline into this piece here. Excuse my shaky hands. But yeah, so with this piece, I wanted to obviously display a little bit of a negative space at the top of the pendant, and then I wanted to really exemplify the termination of the tourmaline in the top there. As you can see, it's a little bit hard trying to get it in the good light there. But basically what I wanted to do was display the tourmaline in a just kind of a non-typical setting that was a bit more flowy and would just barely hold it in there while still keeping it stable, but I could display all the terminations and the nice striations in the color of the stone. So basically what I had started, kind of like all my other pendants, I build the outside kind of framework and the detailing, and I had also started by setting these sapphire channel sets into the pendant, so that created kind of the setting for the tourmaline on the outside. And then as I was building these details on the right side here, I then, I attached a 21 gauge to the back of the frame and then brought that through this detailing and kind of over the channel setting. And then I brought that through, and then just to the back again to the frame. So basically both sides of this setting are 21G square that have been fed through the frame, attached to the frame, and then brought back up through the detailing and just back over the tourmaline. So basically just the same way that I would set any other type of crystal like this. Basically all of your settings are going to start with your connections on the back and then bringing the wire over the stone and then connecting it back to the back frame. You're more than welcome to get kind of creative with, the flow of a setting as well. Kind of think of it like a bezel. So long as it's holding the stone on there and it's holding it in place, you're pretty good to go. As you can see, I did 2 swirls kind of on each side. This other swirl is kind of started from the bottom design here, and then it's attached with 30 gauge also to this other swirl that you see down here. And then I've just brought that up, kind of skirting along this channel setting and then over the tourmaline, and then again back over the top of the tourmaline and just barely setting over the side of it there and then connecting it to the back to really tighten everything down. But yeah, I hope this was informational for you all. Sorry for the shaky hands, I just haven't eaten breakfast yet, and I hope you all get to creating, and I hope this was inspirational for you. There's going to be another video dropping today, the start to finish pendant design. We're going to be drawing that out later today, so thank you all so much for the support here. I hope you have a great day.